speedometer in the car is reading about 10% high, and you can change these gears to a different number of teeth. The one in the car has 20 teeth. This is 23. So this should slow down the speedometer needle. In the messy garage, I'll show you how to tell what size gear to put on your cable toward the end of the video. I'm going to slide under the car and show you where this is and how to do it. That's zoomed in on the back of the transmission where the cable runs into it. And then the cable should pull right out like that. And the gear is on the end of it. The gear is held on to the end of the cable with a clip. And all you need to do is pry this little clip off of here. And then you pull the gear off and slide the new gear on. Replace the clip. Okay, it's on, so now we slide it back into the transmission. Okay, that bolt is tight. The job is done. See if I can explain this. The transmission tail shaft spins at the drive shaft speed. The tail shaft has a fixed gear on it. The speedometer cable has a removable gear. You control what speed the speedometer cable spins at by changing the tooth count of the removable gear. A quick rule. One tooth change is about 5% correction. So if the speedometer reads too fast, you add more teeth to slow the cable down. If the speedometer is reading too slow, you subtract teeth to speed the cable up. I'll give you an example. Let's say the GPS shows you're going exactly 60 miles an hour, but your speedometer reads 63 miles an hour. You would add one tooth to slow the cable down by about 5%. Now, if the GPS shows you're going exactly 60 miles an hour, but your speedometer reads 54 miles an hour, you would subtract two teeth to speed the cable up by 10%. That gets your speedometer reading correctly. Now, if you change tire size or rear end ratios and your speedometer is off, this is how to fix it. But this only applies to cars with speedometer cables, not to cars with electronic speedometers. Thank you for watching this episode of Dan's Messy Garage. If you enjoyed this video, I have a link at the end to a playlist that has tools, tips, tricks, and videos. Click on it and enjoy. Bye.